lawyers, in this video, what style videos work with meta ads? There's 3 ways to work with us. Our agency does it all for you, coaching, and self-study courses. Hey there, it's Mary Cary. Anyway, I'm just goofing around with my guitar because you guys don't seem to click on my videos, and I really want you to watch the videos. I know you're all readers, you're sitting in an office, other people might hear it around you, but it's so much more personal if you actually watch the videos. Okay, so let's get into it. Today, we're going to talk about what style of video works best with meta ads and how you can make the most out of this powerful advertising tool. Before we jump in, let me introduce myself. My name is Mary Cary, legal marketing specialist and founder of GoMedia Marketing Productions. Since 2008, we've been helping lawyers just like you grow and streamline their firms with these videos, speaking around the world, and services like intake, website development, video production, search engine optimization, and advertising on pretty much every platform. We know your niche. We offer you a full agency experience, coaching, and online courses for those on a budget. So let's dive into today's topic. Oh, but first, please email me. I want to know, what are your dreams for growing your law firm? Meta, as you might know, owns Facebook and Instagram. They also WhatsApp and a few other products. And this is the thing, is that when you do an ad on Facebook, it goes out on Instagram as well. So as a law firm, you probably know that your clients are looking for you to be trustworthy and reliable and good representation, of course. And that's why it's important to create videos that showcase your expertise and build trust with potential clients. So here are 3 tips to help you create effective meta video ads. Tip number 1. First, focus on telling a compelling story that resonates with your target audience. This could be a personal injury case that you successfully handled or a testimonial from a satisfied client. Whatever it is, make sure that it captures the attention of your audience and keeps them engaged. Tip number 2, keep most of your videos pretty short and to the point. At least have them about one subject. People have a short attention span, but if they're interested, they will watch. It's important to get your message across pretty quickly, so aim for the length of your videos to be about 1 minute, and make sure that every second counts. Tip number 3. The third tip is to make sure that the videos are visually appealing and professional. This means using high quality images and videos and paying attention, especially the details like lighting and sound. By following these tips, you can create meta ad videos that are engaging, informative, and effective. So why not give it a try and see how you can boost your law firm's marketing efforts? If you need help creating powerful meta ad video ads, don't hesitate to contact us at GoMedia Marketing Productions. We're real people, and our team is a bunch of experts ready to help you create high-quality videos that will generate leads and increase your bottom line for years to come. Are you tired of struggling with your law firm's marketing with so many vendors out there who just don't understand your niche? Do you want to bring in more clients without spending all your time and money on advertising? Well, we've got great news for you today. For a limited time at GoMedia Marketing Productions, we're offering our full service meta ads package, and we're going to offer this just to 4 brand new personal injury law firms. I mean, you don't have to be a new law firm, but you'll be new to us. We'll create engaging video content, launch and tweak your campaigns, and even answer every inquiry that comes in on your behalf. This is also that you can focus on what you do best, which is practicing law. Normally, our agency fees are no less than $5,600 per month, not including your meta ads budget. But for these select few law firms, we're cutting our prices by nearly half. And this is because we believe in the power of our services and we want to help you succeed. Call me anytime or reach out by email, mary@gomediamarketing.com.